Namaskara. This shloka is about the light. So before starting with any kind of functions or any kind of study, any kind of a learning, so we have a habit of lighting a lamp. So lighting a lamp is known as auspicious, like a very wealthy, very healthy for a mind and for entire universe, for everyone. So here, before lighting a lamp, so we always say the shloka. So which always gives us a good sign. So here is the shloka that we will be learning now for the Deepa. So lamp is called as a Deepa, Deepam. Fine? Very good. So we'll start. Shubham. Shubham. The bha, stress the bha letter, little. Shubham karoti kalyanam kalyanam shubham karoti kalyanam. Say it 3 times. Pause it here and say it 3 times. Shubham karoti kalyanam. Shubham karoti kalyanam. Arogyam. It's not ha, it's arogyam. Arogya is a health. Dhana. Dhana is a wealth. Sampadaha. Dhana sampadaha. Arogyam dhana sampadaha. Pause it here, say it 3 to 5 times. See this one. Wonderful. So we'll say the complete line. Shubham karoti kalyanam. Arogyam dhana sampadaha. Pause it here, say the complete line 3 times. The complete line, say it 3 times, pause it here. Shatrubuddhir. Shatrubuddhir. Shatru is enemy. Vinashaya. Vinasha is a destroy. Destroy the knowledge. Destroy the intention of the enemy. Shatrubuddhir vinashaya. Shatru buddhir. The, give a stress on the. Buddhir vinashaya. Vinashaya. Shatru buddhir vinashaya. Say this 3 to 5 times. Pause it here and say 3 to 5 times. Deepa jyotir namostute. Deepa jyoti. Deepa is a lamp, jyoti is a lightning. So Deepa jyoti both are like us. It has the same meaning. Deepa jyoti namostute. Namostute is I am just praying to you, the lamp. So this is the meaning of this. Deepa jyotir namostute. Shatru buddhir vinashaya. Pause it and say 3 to 5 times. This is a little difficult one. So take a more number of attempts in practicing and repeating. Deepa jyotir namostute. Deepa jyotir namostute. Say it 3 to 5 times. Pause it here. Say it, repeat, keep repeating. We'll come from the beginning. Shubham karoti kalyanam. Arogyam dhana sampadaha. Shatru buddhir vinashaya. Deepa jyotir namostute. Keep repeating this. Keep repeat this. Pause it. Keep repeat like a 3 to 5 times or a 10 times, as many times as you want, so that you feel comfortable and you without any difficulties you should be able to recite this. So that after this we can go for the tune. Just make sure first you can read it completely without any difficulty. After this we will put a tune for it. So that's fine. So tune is nothing but it's like a chanting. This is how we recite, we chant the shlokas. The right vibration is very important when you're chanting the shlokas. Okay, I hope you are ready now. Once you are ready, come for this. If you are not ready, take a time. Keep practicing. Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam dhanasampadaha Shatrubuddhir vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute. You can say with me. So play and say, keep on saying with me. So before saying with me, I request you to know the wordings first completely. Fine. I hope this is fine. You are ready with this now. I will tell once again. So it will be easy for you. Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam dhanasampadaha Shatrubuddhir vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute. I hope this became very simple for you now, right? Wonderful. We'll go for one more shloka. So keep practicing this. After this video, you will be having a little more information on this shloka. So please go through that also. Children, you can stop here. You can just keep practicing. Recite, just recite it. That's fine. Fine? Yes. Namaskara.